Why is there a low, while E chord is a low E and a high E, is an octave. What is amplitude? What causes amplitude? What causes frequency? And when there's a force, let's take an analysis of the physics of sound on a very molecular level, on an infinitesimal level. When there's a force, the real deal has arrived.
Amplitude is the maximum extent of a vibration. So amplitude is the maximum extent of a vibration.
I apologize. The paradoxical phenomenon between amplitude and frequency. Let's discuss amplitude and frequency. Watch this video. Be very afraid, because I'm the real deal. This is my mini library. I have a much bigger library.